Alright, y'all see what's going on, man. Thursday, the day after the interest rate cuts. Like everything looking good. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. Buying power going up, buying less. Let's look at some top movers today, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. You got pets went up like 94% today. Pets on the tail got up to 346. Came back down. And now it's trying to go back up there. Got a 52-week high of $6.70. You wondering why? Why is it up today? Okay, PetMed soars after disclosing $4 per share buyout from investment firm. The firm name is Silver Capes. Guess they gonna buy PetMed Express out at $4 a share. That's what I'm guessing. So that's the good news for them. They got up to 346. That's PetMed Express. Got hood down today, pulling back. 123.97. That's typical. Trying to go in and get you a little fractional share, man. Don't buy, don't load up. You know, hood is a long-term play. All right, what else we got going on? That's PetMed Express. Let's look at Citizens Bank. I took profit on this. I sold 11 shares, made a new 52-week high yesterday. You know, bank stock's going to run. 52-week high, 59.30, got up to this morning. I sold 11 shares at 58.76. Realized profit $208.35. $646.36 worth, but I didn't sell everything. I took what I had invested in it. So everybody took all the money off the table I had invested, and I'm gonna let the what's left run. Still got 9.25, so I got my initial investment back. That's how you do with things. Take your initial investment out and just play with the house's money. That's what they call playing with the house money. All right, Bank of America got a 52-week high of 54.82. I got a sell limit order there. I am taking out my initial investment, 54.82. $54.82 a share, 11 shares. Gonna leave me with 8 shares. I'm gonna let that run. Gonna play with the house money on that. I'm up 85.33%. AMLP ETF going at 47.12. Go get you some. Well, it's at 47.51 now. It was at 47.12 earlier today. 8.75% yield. That's one of my buy and hold stocks. Got to have this in another brokerage company here, PCF. It pays 6 cents a share a month. But can you buy this here now? Oh, you could buy PCF here now. I didn't know that. Well, yeah. They got about a 14%. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video on this one, but nah, this one you can buy, man. It's paid out monthly. Nice one to have. PCF. How does trade though? Let me see. See, this trade 24/7 or not. Just want to check something out real quick. Buy limit order. 16.05. Let's put something in. Buy limit order. 1 share 6.05. Trade market hours extended. No, you can't do 24 hours on here. Anyway, just gonna put that in. Vici. I think it's at like 28.08 or something. Got down to 27.79. Good price still to get some of this. Dividend yield 6.3%. 52-week high 34.03. You know they own the resorts down in Vegas. Another one I took profits on yesterday, had a sell limit order, forgot to tell you, was CSX. Got this in my cash out portfolio, 52-week high 37.28. Took my money and ran. Dividend yield 1.43%. I've been holding that for like 5 years. Seemed like it wasn't doing nothing, trading sideways. It'll go up to $36, $37. 52 low 26.22. It'll come back down to 30 and ride that and go to 35 and down to 30. I just got tired of it. Dividend yield not big enough for me to hold. OXLC was down to 13.79 a day. Might have came down more, 13.61. Going at $13.60. Damn, you can trade OXLC on here now. See that? This is what I'm talking about. You wasn't able to trade all this on here before. Oh wow, Robinhood, man, doing some big old things, man. Hell yeah. Just pay 40 cents a share. Man, look here. I gotta put that money in Robinhood. This definitely a banger here, man. It's 40 cents a share every month. I'm about to get rich. Start a position right there. Man, I'm excited about that one. Y'all better go get OXLC. It might come down. They're trying to short it, but it pay 40 cents a share a month. ORC coming down, 7-Eleven. Enough for me to play around with it. Lower my average cost a little bit. You know, this pay 12 cents a share every month. Man, I'm about to get rich on these dividends. Y'all better follow me, man. USOY, I went in at 762. It's one of the only ones left that still pay out weekly. 662. Let's bring it down my average cost right there. Paid out 7 cents this week. NVDY. Buy limit order for brought 2 shares today. That I had a buy limit order from way back in the day. Anyway, brought 2 shares there. Options on Nvidia. I was thinking about something. I'm sorry. Think I see not loading up on nothing. We did pets. USOI brought 5 shares at 47.57. I'm gonna get my 100 shares in this one. I brought 5. I'm gonna get another $5 worth. Definitely like this at the 48 and under. Got a 52-week low of $47. MSTY, know this one came down today. You know, after the ex-dividend date, like they typically do. I'm gonna tell you what I did last night. MSTY, Coney, CONY, TSLY, PPPYPY, all the ones that just did a reverse stock split. I wouldn't put a recurring investment in for $1 a day on all of them. As you can see right here, recurring investment pending $1. I just went and did that on all of them. Gotta just reinvest some of the dividends, $5 a week. I ain't got to watch it. I got 60.8 shares at 64.60. That'll knock it down slowly, however long it takes. I don't care. And it's paying back my margin. I'm still reinvesting in Misty, and I got money to put in other places. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing $1 a day, but days like this when it's down, I'm gonna go in and do another $1, $2 or something. But at least it's gonna be buying $1 a day without me looking. Something happened to me, at least it'll be buying. So I did that with all of the yield maxes that just did the reverse stock split. Let's see if they got ACP on here, man. This another monthly banger here, man. They probably do if they got PCF. Oh yeah. This pays 0.775 cents a share every month here. Man, I'm gonna have to cut out Weeble, man. I can get all this right here on Robinhood. Things changing in the market, man. What a great time to be alive, far as investing only. There's some other BS going on in the world, but we're gonna leave it there. As far as crime and stuff. 264 PSEC. I got to the mind frame where I was just gonna use my Weeble for like trading, for day trading and scalp trading only, and use my Robinhood for my buy and hold type of thing. PSEC 2 shares, 2.64. Still buying this while it's down. Adding on, so when it does decide to squeeze. COST, Costco. Yeah, I can do everything in Robinhood, man. I'm gonna have to make some changes going on. Costco got down to 873. It's at 879. You can go get you some of that. HRZN, Horizon. I'm gonna get my $2 worth like I do every day of this one. For me to buy full shares, I gotta go to like $6. I hope it don't. I want it to push up. OXSQ. I'm going at 182 today. Just in case it pulled back, save a couple of dollars. Amazon was at 229 when I made my list. Y'all can go get you some Amazon. EARN, earn, pays out every month, 8 cents a share a month. It's all about that cash flow. Get some of that. CHPT, ChargePoint. Pulled back today. Now it's up. I was about to get some. It's at like 916, but oh well. Let's go check out Traps, man. That's everything on the list. Glad to see they got ORC, ACP, and OXLC. Man, I'm about to get paid. All right, bank stocks. I got a lot of bank stocks. Bank stocks up. I'm gonna be taking what I got invested and let the rest run. Cause you know I got using margin, so most bank stocks paying under 5% yield. My margin just went down to 4.8 for Robinhood. I'm at 5.05 on Weeble. So I might just stop trading in Weeble, let it just pay everything back. It seems like all my positions I got, I can get over here now. So that'll be a good thing. And I can just trade in this one. I can, oh man, this about to be on. You know, I'm gonna trade in this one, and I can take my money out and live off dividends on my Weeble one. But we're gonna talk about that later on. We ain't gonna put the cart before the horse. But like I said, everything looking good, man. I want to see what's gonna go up with this one. I'm waiting for somebody. I slipped on this one. I should have sold it when it was up. I'm still kicking myself in the butt with it, but I'm gonna hold it just to see what happened. I got a feeling that's gonna turn around. But when they squeezed it, it was like some false news came on out. I was trying to be greedy. You be greedy, you get, you know what? You get up. But it's all good. TCPC, $2 of that. Nice quarterly yield. OBDC, SLRC. 1614. That's going up. That's pays out monthly also. Comcast looks like it's trying to do its thing. Okay, MFIC 1190. That should be pushing up too. Yeah, man. Like I say, when that market start going green and bullish, CHCT. To lower my average cost there too. I sure got money to spend. These dividends gonna be coming in so strong. It ain't funny now. Hope y'all been buying. I'm telling y'all to use that margin for the time being. That TELUS right there. Another one, Canadian communication stock. Knock that down. Ain't worrying about Intel, long-term play. Baker Nova Scotia, I know I'm up in all bank stocks. Got Pine, 1703, I'm up now. So just hold that down. They put a price target on IVR at $10 a share. Right now I'm up because I brought and sold a lot. ORC, we did that. Got USOI. GSBD was at around about $10. This got a 52-week high of $14. Options on Amazon, AMZY. You know Amazon gonna run for the future, so go ahead and nibble down on this one here too. NFLY up for the day, so Netflix must be on its way up. I'm gonna check out Netflix at the end of the video. FSK, I got this on $1 a day investment with FSK. Like I say, one thing about it, you can always go in and buy more when it's down. Like I said, I did it with everyone that just split. I did it with QQQY also. They didn't just split. I put it with IWMY. Like I said, on days when it's down, you can always come and buy a little extra. You ain't got to load up. These pay out weekly. So you want to build your position. They're going to always slow because people going to come for that dividend. I did it with XDT and QDTE. I didn't do it. But these ones I always just watch anyway. Shit, I can monitor these. And I need to look at KLIP. But I'm probably going to put on XDTE, QDTE, and add it on clip. It's waste management. Not worrying about that. QDTE. Good with YMAX. Got FEPI. I'm up in FEPI. I need to add it on clip too. 3102. Clip one I'm going to hold for the long run. Thinking about selling my position, putting a sell limit order at $12 on this one. Going to take my money and run. 52 we high, $12. Take that and run and be done with that one. Right now I'm looking at cash flow and I'm moving forward. 57.71. I'm at 52. I'm up 10%. Leave that alone. QQQI. Worrying about that one. Bull came down 2.69%. Had to come down more for me to buy. I knew they was going to start selling that when it went up. Hood come down. Got GPTY 44.22. Pay out every week. Man, it's a lot of cash flow to buy. That's all I'm gonna say. 22.96 BTCC. You know, this pay every week also. Like I say, when they pull back, just put your money there. I only put $1 a day with the yield maxes because I don't want to watch them like that. Just do that. I'm done with them. Like far as loading up, I know I'm not gonna buy no shares at no $40. So let that just do its thing with it, and I'm gonna keep on rolling. Use the rest of the dividends to buy these other ones. WPay or DYV, DYVE. Not worrying about WPay. 45.56. Another round hill one. It does the S&P 500. I was looking at the Universe Fund. Bring the average cost on down. So all you want to do, bring it down to where it's around with the market price is. 35.09 right here. Got $1 today. You actually get like $48 a week out of this one. At least 28, 48, somewhere in there. I know it's a lot. TSL wide down some more. Y'all know these gonna go just after the ex-dividend date. So I make a lot with Tesla. So basically the dividend is paying for itself. And I'm not even spending half of them every week. I say I only do it on days it's down. Days it's green, they're going to take the dollar recurring, and that's going to be it. See, OARK did a stop split, 38.50. I need to put it on this one here also. Dollar day recurring. Maggie position I just started. It's the Magnificent Seven. We did Misty. AMDY. 38.91. Extra dollar. I want to catch it when it's at its low, but whatever. These the new positions we just started right here. So everything good. All right, y'all. Let me check MetaFast. Them the two I need to monitor. MetaFast and Pets. MetaFast had a sell off yesterday. It's back at 11.80 though. It's got a $16.50 price target now. That's why this one going up. But yep, that's it, y'all. Stay safe. I'm gonna be looking at Pets. Cause I got a buy limit, sell limit order at 346. I really want to hold it to 410. But I was gonna take my initial investment out because I'm at $3.14. I might move it up to the 414 I had it at before though, but we're gonna see. Signing off, go get your money.